Welcome back. You asked me to help you with the word problems. Here's another one. A library is having a book sale. To raise money, hardcover book cost $4 each. Let's write down here. We have hardcover, let's use H, is $4 each. And we have a paperback, let's call it a P, is $2 each. Kiki spent $26, bought 8 books. Therefore, we know if we add hardcover, we don't know how many yet, but we will find out soon. And the paperback, we put them together, we will have 8 books. Now, that's the quantity. Let's talk about how much money we spent. We spent $26. How much is a hardcover book? That's 4, therefore 4H. How about a paperback? That's 2, therefore we have 2P equals 26. Now you have it. You have a system of linear equation. You can use a substitution. You can say H is 8 minus P. And then you can substitute. When you say H, you're going to use 8 minus P. In this case, you solve for P first. You can also say, I'm going to find out P is 8 minus H. In this way, you're going to plug in right here, find out what is H. All right? Okay, now we're going to try another method that is called multiply first, then eliminate. Okay, all right. Now you're going to decide which one do you want to eliminate first. Do you want to eliminate H first, or do you want to eliminate P first? You make your decision. I'm going to eliminate P. If I eliminate P, guess what? I'm going to have the first equation, each one times -2. Let's get a different color. All right. Each term times -2. Each term times -2. This one also times -2. Then I become -16. Now I got a new equivalent equation. I'm going to add these two equations. Okay? Let's get white. Okay. Add these two equations. Did you see a positive and negative 2p? And a pair of opposites, they cancel out each other. And did you see 4h and a negative 2h? That gives us 2h. 26 minus 16, that gives us 10, which means h is 5. If h is 5, that means hardcover books, we got 5. Okay, right here, we got a 5. All right, if total is 8, which means P is 8 minus 5, that is 3. All right, we just solved this book problem. Happy learning.